Hello everyone, this is Chic Panda Interiors. Today we will make over this dull living room into a spooky, festive Halloween themed living room. Let's start by putting this Halloween themed cushion from Ross on the sofa bed for an eye-catching focal point. And now let's decorate the shelf with a stack of orange colored books and these cute lanterns from Dollar Tree. For the side table, we're going with a trick-or-treat vibe, so we've got this handy basket of candy. Super colorful packaging. Great for handing out to your guests' kids. All these wonderful glittery spiders are also from Dollar Tree. They're kind of hard to balance, but let's see what we can do. For the main table, we're going to put these cute mini pumpkins and this bouquet of flowers with eyeballs, all from Dollar Tree, to make a perfectly creepy but adorable Halloween centerpiece. And this big sparkly pumpkin from Ross just adds a little bit of glamour to the whole Halloween atmosphere. We couldn't film the wall process unfortunately, but here you can see the nice tinsel and Halloween felt leather banner from Dollar Tree. Anyways, we hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.